Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I am cooking again, as you guys can. Here we go. We're gonna have some fun today, y'all. Summer's here. Darn near. That rhymes. Here we are. We're gonna do some ribs, old school ribs. Pork spare, no St. Louis. No. Baby who? What? Who? No, old school ribs. We're doing it. Killer hog. Boom, rub, and a little lemon, butter, garlic. Delicious. I'm gonna do hot and fast like they do in the old days. They used to have a grill at the park. We're not gonna be, it's not low and slow. What? We at a park. We're not doing low and slow. We're gonna get them on that. Now, see what has been told, they used to boil them first before they even get over there. They're gonna put them on the grill, there's smoke on it. That's how they used to do it in the old days. I'm gonna get them on a pellet smoker, hot and fast, 300, 325. About 3-4 hours. Easy work. No problem. Stay with your guy, man. I'm cooking again. Old school ribs. Oh, now, you know your Uncle Joe or Uncle Leroy or Uncle Bob, they never trimmed, they just throw it in there now. We're going to trim it a little bit. I can't do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it, yo. I have to trim this a little bit. A lot of fat in the back. A lot of fat. It's got to go. They throw them on. They throw them on, yo. This stuff right here got to go. It's got to. Come on, cooks. Old school with an asterisk. Old school with an asterisk, man. I can't have this. All this stuff gonna burn, man. Let's go down and cook a little bit. A little fat is fine, but this is a Smithfield rack, y'all. It's not. I mean, man. I was on sale. This is. I've never seen one with so much fat on it. I've never seen one like this bad like that. Okay, here we go. Now the pro is gonna take this off. We're gonna do that on. That's extra meat. Let's flip her. Oh, got an extra side. Got a side weave right here. Get this weave off here. Side weave got to go. That's just gonna burn off. It'll be bad business. Okay, cooks, we ready to go. Got our slab. Oh, okay. It's an extra extra right here. Look at this. Look at this. Should I cut it off or leave? I don't know. It's gonna be good, but man, it's not gonna cook right. This is almost a St. Louis. Cooks. Almost St. Louis. I'm gonna cut that off. Because when you serve it, I'm still gonna eat it. I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cut it off here though. Because that don't make sense. That off there. It's actually in the whole slab. It's already almost pre-trimmed for St. Louis. All right, let's get it. We cooking all this now, but I ain't gonna, for the slab when you're serving, this will be in the way. Okay. All right, now we got. All right, let's button it up. Nice little slab right here. Nice little slab right there. Okay, that's what that slab right there. I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, cooks. Let's get it. Time for a little rub. Wash my hand. Okay, wash my hand. Oh, let's get it. No binder today. No binder. Did your uncle have a binder? Ask him for a binder. He'll bring you a notebook. Come on, man. No binder. Killer hog, though. They ain't had this, but they had this is that Larry Caesar salt. And that's it. We're gonna do a little more advanced, almost old school ribs. We call it almost old school ribs. Lemon butter garlic. This stuff is delicious, y'all. That's a good business right there. Come on outside. That on there, man. Let it rest. It's gonna be tied. Other side, same way, no changes. Now you take these parts, make sauce. I don't know how to make sauce. Okay. I'm gonna throw them on the grill though. I'm gonna season them up, same as this. Little rib tips, something little. We're gonna do something with it. We don't throw nothing away here. Nothing. Excuse me. Anything. I apologize. Do the other side. We're not pulling the membrane because Uncle Joe and I asked my daddy, what's a membrane? He said, that's something in your brain you do. No, but they don't do that. Old school. Kind of old school ribs. We're gonna have some fun. It's gonna be delicious. Hot and fast. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking. Hey, Coach, welcome back. Here we are. Ribs been sweating. They tired. They're about to work. Hey, Coach, we out here. It's about 137 degrees out here. It's Hot, man. It's May. Hot down here. Let's get them on, man. Let's go. Okay, cooks. Heavy side, fire side. Heavy side, fire side. Okay? Everybody know, bunch them up. You heard that before. This is scrap. We took off the side now. Cook them fast. Little snacks and treats. That's for the children. Funny little epitome. Funny little story. Did the man say epitome? Funny little story. When I was a kid, I never ate a rib until I was like 15. Children did not get ribs. You got the hot dog. You start with the hot dog. You put the carry around. You might not even get a bun. You might get a Wonder Bread. Then you graduate to the burger. Then you was popping. Okay. Then you got the teenager. You might get a chicken. Drumstick on it. No thigh, no breast. You might get a drumstick. Then you graduate to a rib. Probably because you can chip in on the barbecue. That's all I'm saying. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit the notification bell. Whatever that means. You stay with your guy, man. I'm cooking. Hey, Cooks, welcome back. Here we are at the end. Oh! Rib game strong. Oh! 2.5 hours. Shout out to the decimals. 2.5 hours. Hey, Cooks, hot and fast. Let's go. I'm not talking. For a reason. This is delicious. You want me to do some pollock? No! Delicious. That is delicious. Close. That is delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Eyes closed for real. I can't see. Hit that notification button, whatever that means. Stay with your guy, man. We cooking ribs. We doing fun stuff, man. Cook ribs like I do. I'm getting annoyed, man. I'm getting a little frustrated. I'm not a temperamental person. Is that a word? Temperament? I'm not a temperamental person. This rib is delicious, man. You gotta make these, man. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again.